Come gather round now, children, to hear a tale of a certain man who's traveled all around creation. A tale of wonder, joy, exasperation, tranquility, splendor, tragedy, myth, romance, and kin. Catastrophe, indoctrination, misery, bloodshed, loyalty, dishonor, fealty, and loathing within. A tale of a man who's seen goddesses, witnessed miracles, and seen motherless children, found God, kissed angels, and heard boys say things that only men know. He's been between all the 7 seas and back. He's even crossed the river Styx once or twice. Don't seem like a journey none too nice. Chicago, St. Paul, New Orleans, Memphis, Itabena, Athens, and the sandy white shores. Pay attention now, y'all. You won't want to forget this here legend for the ages. This tale of fog, love, misery, and chains. This story takes its origins in the wheat, in the cornfields, and the high cotton. And it all started when I took a step into the boxcar of a rusty old train.